If you want to take a screenshot on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then we have many different ways that allow you to do so. So the first method is to simply use the power button and volume down button at the same time. If you press both of these buttons at the same time, then you should be able to easily capture a screenshot. There we go. Another thing that you can do is you can perform a three-finger gesture. So you can touch and hold 3 fingers anywhere on the screen for a couple of seconds, and then you will capture a screenshot. Of course, in order to make sure that it can be done on your phone, you need to go to settings, and then over here you can open the gestures, and then here we have the 3-finger screenshot where we can enable this option in case it is not enabled. While we are in the gestures menu, we can here also set up the quick launch option, which is a back tap gesture. So you can double tap the top third of the back of your phone in order to trigger custom actions. And if you tap on the setting icon, and of course we need to make sure that it is enabled, but here if you go to settings, then we can choose to take a screenshot. So now if I double tap the back of the phone, I should be able to easily capture the screenshot. Let's see if I can actually do this. There we go, it actually worked. So usually I tap over here, like the bottom right corner of the camera island, and I just tap quite firmly. And usually this is how we can capture the screenshot. Now, besides that, you can try it out in order to see if you do this correctly. So you can see if you have to tap on a different spot, maybe if you have to tap stronger. There we go, in my case it detected now. And besides that, if you need some settings, then you can adjust the tap strength in here, which is usually set to gentle tap anyway, so it should be fine. You just have to get used to the proper spot where you have to tap. Now, besides that, we can also use the background apps or recents, but that is only for apps. Unfortunately, this method doesn't work for home screen, for example, but if you open any app, then you should be able to go to recents, and then here below the app preview we have this screenshot button, so these scissors over here, and as you can see we can easily capture a screenshot. Other than that, we can also go to the control center or quick settings, and then here you can also find the screenshot option, and as you can see here we have the screenshot tile, so we can just tap on it, and there we go, we just have captured a screenshot. There is also this arrow which I assume can be used for something, although even if I press and hold my finger or something, I cannot really do anything about it. And even if I tap on the arrow itself, unfortunately I am not redirected or anything like that. So I'm not sure why this arrow appears, but still, this is how it looks like. Now, besides these methods, there is also the sidebar. So if you use sidebar on your phone, then you can add the screenshot button in here, which can be a very convenient way to take a screenshot. In order to set up the sidebar, we need to go back to gestures. Here we have the sidebar switcher, so we can turn it on in here. We can tap on the setting in order to customize the sidebar, and if you switch to tools, then over here we have the screenshot option, so we can add it to the list over here. And last but not least, there is additional method that allows you to take a screenshot, and that is by using the accessibility menu. So in the settings, if you go to accessibility, here you should be able to find the accessibility menu, and we can enable the shortcut. There we go. Now we're gonna tap on this button that just appeared, and then in here in this menu you should be able to find the screenshot button as well. And these are all the major methods that allow you to capture a screenshot on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. Leave a like and subscribe.